In this tutorial, we will see all the tools that help us to edit the beams. I have this drawing in which there are few beams. Open the dialog box. Select Level 2 for the base level. The table shows various details of the beams from the drawing. Use Next or Previous buttons to navigate through the table. Change the beam size which is at E3F3 position. Similarly, delete the beam at the position E4F4, hit OK button. Validate that the beams are deleted from the drawing. Once again open the dialog box. From the username pull-down list select B18. You can see details of that beam in the table. Change the size of the beam, apply data such as phase and concrete mix. Press the OK key. Observe the beam in the drawing.